So if you want to learn my makeup look idda create kiti, then do watch this video. And trust me when I say I have just used a little bit of foundation to create the base and it looks so flawless. So do watch this video. So let's do a makeover with this beautiful Indo-Western dress. So let's get started. First of all, I'm done with the CTM, and then let's start with the eye makeup first. So we have to create an eye base. पहला ਆਪਾਂ eye base create करना. I'm already done with applying the moisturizer and a primer. So ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ apply करेंगे concealer that would be 1 to 2 shade lighter than my skin tone. So I'm taking this concealer from Forever 52 and this is 3 to 4 or maybe 2 to 3 shades darker than my lighter than my skin tone, and you have to apply it on the lid and then blend it out. So ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ blend ਕਰਾਂਗੇ using a fluffy brush, small fluffy brush. So you have to keep on blending until the concealer completely blends. So I'm done with blending the concealer and then you have to lock it with the powder. So ਇਹਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ lock ਕਰਾਂਗੇ using a powder. You can take loose powder or you can even set it with the compressed powder. ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ translucent powder consider ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. And then you can take the powder and lock the base with the eyeshadow base. So then we'll move on to applying the colors. So I'll take a peach shade using it as the transition color, starting from the outer corner and in ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ towards inner corner, blending it over the crease. So I'm thinking of doing somewhat smoky. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's go with the flow. So ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ blend ਕਰ ਲੈਣਾ. Same on the other side, starting from the outer corner, taking it inwards and blending it over the crease. So I'm done with applying the transition shade and then moving on to the next shade. ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ darker shade consider ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. So ਆਪਾਂ peach shade apply ਕੀਤਾ as a transition shade that is almost similar to the dress I'm wearing. So ਇਹਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ you have to move on to the next shade and you have to take a smaller brush. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾ brush use ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਇੱਕ smaller brush ਲੈਣਾ that ਇਹ ਵੀ fluffy ਹੋਊਗਾ but it would be smaller than the previous one. So let's take another shade that would be darker than this shade that I have used earlier. So in the baad I'm taking on another shade that is a little bit darker. So then you have to place it on the outer corner, starting from the outer corner. So it's your wish, you can either take it inwards, ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ eyelid ਤੇ ਵੀ apply ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ or you can just keep on blending here making a V shape only on the outer corner. Similarly on the other side. So I'm done with this one and then you have to take a ਪਹਿਲਾ ਵਾਲਾ brush ਜੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ use ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ. So only you can take or somewhat ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ clean ਕਰਕੇ you have to blend both of the colors that we have used. So ਆਪਾਂ ਦੋਵੇਂ colors ਨੂੰ easily blend ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. So you have to keep on blending until there are no more harsh lines visible. So then moving on to the next step, that is applying the liner. So I'm using a gel liner here. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਟਸ ਯੋਰ ਚੋਇਸ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੂਰੇ ਆਈ ਤੇ ਲਾਈਕ ਆਈਲਾਈਨਰ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, ਫੁੱਲ ਆਈਲਾਈਨਰ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਔਰ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਜਸਟ ਡਰਾ ਵਿੰਗ. I like to draw wing, so I'll draw wing. So I'm drawing a wing. So I'm done with applying the wing and then ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ blend ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. It doesn't have to be perfect because I like to smudge it out. So ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ smoke out ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ smudge ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, so I'll do that. So you can take any of the blending brush ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਾਜਲ ਨੂੰ blend ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਸਾਡੇ liner ਨੂੰ blend ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. So it's your choice, you can either blend it out ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ, just you do not have to take any of the product, or you can take any of the darker brown shade or the black color from your eyeshadow palette and you can blend it out. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ blend ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, since when it dries out it's difficult, or it becomes difficult to blend it out. So I'm leaving it here. So ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ leave ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, you can just apply on the mascara and the kajal and you'll be done with the look. But I do not like to keep it casual, so since I'm wearing a glittery outfit, so ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਾਂ will go with the glitters as well, but in the end. Or ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਹੁਣੇ apply ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ the glitters. So first of all we'll apply the lashes. So I'm done with applying the lashes, so let's move on to applying the glitters. I am definitely in love with these glitters. The shine is so natural. I'm in love with the shine these glitters give. You can see. So I'm done with the half of the eye makeup, and then we'll move on to creating the base first, and then we'll complete the lower under eye work. Since I want to keep the makeup minimal, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा minimal makeup करना है, so I'll definitely go with applying the foundation, just a little bit of the foundation, and I'm skipping the color correction part, so I'm not doing that, just applying the foundation. This foundation just a little bit over my hand, and then applying the dots. So I'm using this powder puff, and you have to take the powder and you have to remove excess of the powder over your hand and then apply the powder and go for powder setting. Same over the other eye. So I'm done with the powder setting, and the next step we have, you can go with the blush. So let's apply the blush. I'm skipping the contouring part. So you can either go with applying the creamy blush or any of the blush that you have in your vanity. I'm directly going with the powder blush. So I'm done with applying the blush, and then we can complete the under eye work. So if you want to make your eyes look larger, so you can go with applying the white kajal, and if you want them to look the same size, so if you want to make them to look of the same size, then you can go with the black kajal. That is according to your own preference. So we'll go with applying the black kajal today. So I'm done with applying the kajal, and then you can smudge the kajal ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣੇ apply ਕੀਤਾ. So you can take the brush ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ liner apply ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ blend ਕਰਨ ਲਈ use ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ, same brush ਆਪਾਂ use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ smudge ਕਰਨ ਲਈ. So you can either take the extra product on the brush, ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਤੇ extra powder ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, brown eyeshadow consider ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, black eyeshadow consider ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ directly ਇਹਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਲਰ ਨੂੰ blend ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, that is according to your own taste. Okay. So in this again I'm taking some dark brown shade, and then we'll blend it out or smudge it out. So you have to blend it out near the waterline. ज़्यादा नहीं blend कर रही मैं, just a little bit. It's your choice, you can either draw the inner wing as well. So ਆਪਾਂ inner wing भी draw कर सकते, that is according to you. But I'm leaving it here, and then we are only left with applying the mascara. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਾਂ mascara apply ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. So then applying the mascara. highlighter. So I forgot to do my brows. वैसे मैं अपनी brows ਨੂੰ ऐं ਛੱਡਣਾ ज़्यादा prefer करदी हाँ, but we can just comb it out, or we can fill the inner corners over here, or we can fill the inner corners. So ਆਪਾਂ look ਨੂੰ complete ਕਰਾਂਗੇ by applying the lip shade, but ਉਦੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ you have to go with the lip liner to define the shape of the lips. And today I want to keep the lip shade neutral. So you can go with any of the browner. So you can go with any of the browner lip liner that you have in your vanity, and then define your lips. You just have to take it inwards, a little bit inwards. मैं इन्हू fingers नाल ही blend कर रही हूँ. So if you want to keep your look minimal, and ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ you can just take a little bit of the foundation, and ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਾਂ look create ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ with a flawless base. You can see मैं just एक foundation ਲੈ that too in a little quantity, and ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ base create ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. So the बाद you can choose any of the lip color according to your own taste. ਆਪਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ lip color choose ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ. So I'll go with a neutral shade. So I am done with the look. So this is the minimal look that I created with this outfit. I'll show you the complete outfit once I'm done with my hair. So let me do my hair first, and then we'll see. So I'll see you guys after I do my hair.